How to create YouTube shorts from existing YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure the YouTube app on your iOS or Android device is up to date via the Play Store or App Store. Now simply launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Now select your videos. From this section, tap Videos and choose a particular video from where you want to simply create YouTube shorts. While the video plays, tap Remix at bottom and from this menu select Edit into a short. Now you can choose 15 or 60 seconds for the length and adjust the portion of the video you want to use. Focus on the specific area of the video by dragging or resizing. And now tap on down button at bottom right corner of the screen. You can even choose layouts for this YouTube Shorts video. Now you will land on this page where you can easily customize the short by adding enhancements like text, voiceover, filters, and once you are done, tap next at bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you simply need to finalize and upload this short. You can title your short, set the visibility, and upload it by tapping Upload Short at bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. You have created a YouTube short from an existing video. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.